Hello, welcome to my office. In this session, I want to introduce how to use Xlookup. Xlookup starts with Excel 365. First, before you start, I would like to let you know that Xlookup cannot transfer to an older version. If you have Xlookup in your workbook, you send the workbook to your friend. If your friend doesn't have Excel 365, it will show error. Now let's start. On the left is the table data, and we have the name. We would like to look up region. Let's click FX, search Xlookup, go, and double click. I always recommend you clicking FX to get the formula, because after you get the formula, you will see the explanation here. Lookup value is the value to search for. You click next one. Lookup area is the area or range to search. Return value is the area or range to return. Also, if you use here to enter data, you have a less chance to make a mistake. Now let's enter the lookup value, Smith, and then click tab, go to next, content, lookup area. We choose B2 to B17. Return area, we choose C2 to C17. Xlookup only needs you to enter the first three content here. All the others are optional. I will explain to you later. Okay, this is the result. If I did it here, and I click FS again, double click Xlookup. First, lookup value, and then lookup area. Here is like we lookup. You can just enter the entire column, column B, return area, column C. Okay, results are the same. In this case, if I would like to look up region, sales, and profit, what can I do? Click FX, got Xlookup. Lookup value, Smith. Lookup area, column B. Return area, I just choose column C to column E, and OK. You see, we get all the results. This is very useful when you would like to combine two tables together. Now let's click FX again. Go to here. Here, if not found. In VLOOKUP, you can combine VLOOKUP with if error to return a result you would like to show when it is error. Here, you can just enter here. For example, can't find the name. Okay. But if I change Smith to Jackson, here it returns can't find the name. Now let's go to sheet 2. Compare the Xlookup. VLOOKUP has a very useful change. We have a name here. Let's look up rep. Click FX. Xlookup. Lookup value Smith. Lookup area. Column B. Return area. Column A. OK. Here's the result. Xlookup can look up vertically. It can also look up horizontally. The functionality like Xlookup. Now we have the months here, and we have the data here. We would like to look up what's the result for June. Let's click FX, choose Xlookup. Lookup value, and next tab, lookup area, choose row 1, and return area, we choose row 2. OK. Get the result 682. In sheet 3, I will display match mode. Normally, we only use 3 different modes. 0 is the default exact match. -1 is the exact match of the next smallest. 1 is the exact match of the next biggest. Now on the left we see the sales and with the bonus rate. We have a bonus rate here in E4. We would like to calculate the bonus rate. Now let's click FX, Xlookup, lookup value, enter E4, lookup array, column A, return array, column B. Now you see the match mode. We would like to choose the exact match of the next smallest. So we choose -1. OK. Here you see, this is the result, 10%. In this sheet, I would like to introduce the search mode. Xlookup can only look up from the top to the bottom, but Xlookup have two options. One refers to search from the first. It means from the left to the right or from the top to the bottom. -1, search from the last. It means from the bottom to the top or from the right to the left. First, let's try search mode as 1. Click FX, Xlookup. Lookup value, H3, lookup array, column B, and the return array is sales, column D. Here we roll down here. Search mode default is 1. I leave it empty. OK. Here's the result. When we search town, the sales is 15215. If I do it again, click FX, Xlookup. Lookup value, still town. Lookup array, column B. Return array, column D. And roll down here. Search mode. If I would like to look up from the bottom to the top, enter -1. OK. Here's the result. This is today's introduction. Thank you for watching.